Hi, my name is John Kelly of the Kelly Law Team, and I want to talk to you about how to choose a wrongful death attorney in Phoenix. Choosing your attorney is one of the most important things when you're making a wrongful death claim. There's a lot of lawyers out there, and to get the right attorney for the job is extremely important to make sure that you're getting maximum compensation and your family's taken care of well. The very first thing that I would say, and there's a lot of research that's probably being done, is to look for attorneys that have experience with wrongful deaths before. Seems a little bit obvious, but there's a lot of attorneys out there that do personal injury work that have never resolved a wrongful death claim. They may have information on their website about wrongful death cases. They may even talk about wrongful death cases on their website through video. But you need to look and make sure you talk to each lawyer that you do and ask them, have you handled a wrongful death case? How many have you handled? What were your results? And that brings me to the second one. Ask the lawyer, what results did you get with the wrongful death claim? And if they have multiple high-dollar results with wrongful death claims, you'll know that they have not only experience, but good experience, and they were able to take it all the way to the finish line, which is important. The other thing is they should be able to take it to the finish line themselves and not hand it to another law firm or another attorney to team up with, which sometimes happens. So make sure that that case was under their name completely. The third thing you want to look at is what type of firm are you dealing with? And this is kind of an important one because there's a whole gamut of different firms. Some are large firms, some are solo practitioners, and some are mid-sized firms. And in all firms of those caliber, you may find someone that's good in each one, but you want to make sure you know who you're dealing with in that firm and what their experience is, and that they're going to specifically handle your case. What happens particularly with the larger firms is, they may have 30 different attorneys in their practice. You do the intake with one lawyer who's the person that's on all the advertisements, but you never see that lawyer again, and they hand it off to a newer attorney who may be learning on the job to a certain extent. It's not necessarily the experience that you want. And you also want to ask, what are your caseloads? So why this is important is because if an attorney has too high of a caseload and they're taking too many cases, they may be not wrongful deaths, they may just be fender bender type of injury cases. But if they have 300 cases on their docket, they're going to have a hard time committing the effort and the detail that you need for your case. And so it's important to understand results. What are they doing on their daily basis? How many cases in wrongful death have they handled? And what is their caseload? Do they actually have the time to commit to this? You want to find a lawyer that you have a good connection with, good personality, and someone that you think is going to be right for the job, but also has all those other factors. And there's, a handful of law firms in Phoenix that are very good and have good wrongful death lawyers. And I would recommend you reach out to them, ask them the questions. I like to think that I'm one of those lawyers that is one of those best wrongful death Phoenix attorneys that you could reach out to and question. Make sure you feel like you have the experience that you want in the lawyer. If you have any further questions, please give me a call. Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.